Hi, my name's Brett.
And my name's Davis!
And our presentation is over.
Acid rain!
Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides released into the atmosphere make up acidic gases.
And those gases are carried by the wind.
And then those gases dissolve in rainwater to form acid rain.
Acid rain kills plant life, pollutes rivers and streams, and erodes stonework. Sources of sulfur dioxide or acid rain in the U.S. in 2002. 5% of it was transportation, 9% of it was industrial sources, 19% of it was fuel combustions, 67% of it were electric power stations, and other causes are 1%.
Acid rain has a large effect on forests. As you can see here, it can pretty much completely destroy a forest, so it can be quite deadly. Davis!
Sadly, if you inhale too much of acid rain, you will sadly die.
You just got pranked, bro!
Actually, acid rain is not harmful to humans at all. If you want to reduce air pollution and acid rain, you can ride your bike to school or use less electricity. Hope you guys enjoyed our presentation on
Acid rain!